Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. And to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable Force 4X MSAA on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. And system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down again and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to hardware accelerated rendering section. Here in hardware accelerated rendering section, you can see here the Force 4X MSAA. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. If this turn on, enable 4X MSAA and open GLES 2.0 apps. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled Force 4X MSAA on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.